The ultimate source of energy is that is sun. The source of energy of the sun is what? That is nuclear fusion. Photosphere refer to photosphere को कहा the visible surface of the sun from where the radiation emanates, that is photosphere. According to the report, geographical area तो 168 is B, that was West Bengal में आई थी ये रिपोर्ट. Shown the maximum increase during the recent year. The maximum loss of forest land in India में जो lost हुआ है that is because of agriculture की वजह से. Which one of the following is are the main reason that solar energy could not become a viable alternative source of energy? 170 is D, all of above. Deforestation leads to an increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide because of, that is D, all of above. Thermal power generation in India is the carried out by burning of, that is coal. The fuel used in the conventional nuclear reactor, इसमें जो fuel use में लिया जाता है that is यूरेनियम को यूज़ में लिया जाता है. The fuel used in the conventional nuclear reactor, यूरेनियम जो होता है वही होता है. Calorific value is basically about 174 is a fuel energy को calorific value भी कहा जाता है. The nuclear fuel used in the fast breeder reactor में calorific value is the fuel energy and the nuclear fuel used in the fast breeder reactor में जो nuclear fuel use में लिए थोरियम होता है वो. Nuclear fusion reactor happens spontaneously in 176, that is C, the atmosphere of the sun. Which one of the following is not a renewable energy sources? 177 is B, that is coal is not a renewable energy sources. The world largest producer of rare earth metal which are used mainly in the electronic industry में जो use में लेता है, that is China. Which one of the following causes the least pollutant when burnt? 179 is D, natural gas is the least pollutant when the burnt. Which the help the photosynthesis plant convert solar energy into? 180 is A, that is the chemical energy. Photosynthesis plant convert solar energy into the chemical energy. Deforestation during the recent decade has led to, deforestation is led to 181, that is D, that is all of us. Soil erosion, landslide and loss of biodiversity in the sun. Heat and light are produced by 182, that was B, that is nuclear reaction की वजह से ये produce होता है. Chemical weathering of rock is largely dependent, किस पर dependent है? High temperature पर. Chemical weathering of the rock is largely dependent of high temperature पर. In which of the following year the National Green Tribunal जो आया था 184, that was D, 2010. Which following types of energy source can last indefinitely or for a very long time due to judicial use? 185, that was B, renewable. 186 is A, that is peat 56% है, lignite 70% है and bituminous 80% है, anthracite 90% है. Bituminous is obtained from 187, that is C, crude oil. The increased water demand in the city can be better met by 188 is B, that is adoption of conservation measures. Which of the following is a conventional source of energy? 189, that was coal. Which of the not an indexical natural resources? 190 is the D, that is natural gas. Which is following is non-conventional source of energy? 191 is B, sun. Biogas is produced as a byproduct of anaerobic breakdown and fermentation of the biomass. 192 is A, that is methane. Biogas is what? 193 is a 50 to 70% of methane होता है biogas में. The tallest tree in the world are found in the 194, that is a aquatic region में tallest tree found होता है. A geographical unit that collect, stored and equatorial region, that is release water is what is it is 195 is B, watershed. Bog is the wetland that receive water from, bog receive water from, that is C, that is rainfall only. The biggest freshwater lake in India 197 is A, Buller Lake. The largest thorium reserve कौन सा है? 198, that is A, that is India. Freshwater achieve its greatest density at 199 is C, that is 4 degree. Which one of the following non-conventional energy source can be exploited most economically? 200 is A, solar. The largest soil group of India is 201, that was A, red soil. The Raigur soil referred to 202, that is A, that was the black cotton soil. The soil fertility can be increased by growing more 203, that is B, that is leguminous plant. Which of the following soil is very hard to cultivate? 204, that is B, that was red soil. Which of the following is true about the laterite soil? 205 is D, all about. They are formed the result of leaching aluminum, iron and hot and wet typical area. Which of the following layer of the soil determinant pH value and also its rate of water absorption and retention? 206, that was D, C, origin. Which of following is measured by the porometer? 207 is B, soil salinity. Which of following has forest rich in sandalwood? 208 is B, that is Karnataka. Soil is the Mahanadi Ratta are less fertile than those in the Godavari Delta because of. 209 is A, that was erosion of topsoil by the annual flood. In India, oil is mostly found is 201, that was the none of above. CNG stand for 211 is B, that is compressed natural gas. Which of following are saltwater wetland? 212, that was D, that was the estuaries is the saltwater wetland. Hydroelectric power 213 is D, that was all of above. The water suitable for drinking is 214, that was C, potable water. Which of the following major pollutant जिससे एसिड रेन होता है 215 is B, that was the सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड की वजह से. Which of the following is the main producer of carbon monoxide? 216, that was A, that is automobile. Main producer of carbon monoxide, that is automobile. बायोडीजल प्रोड्यूस होता है 217, दैट वाज सी, दैट इज जेट्रोफा. और हार्नेसिंग ओसिन थर्मल एनर्जी टेम्परेचर डिफरेंस बिटवीन वाटर एट द सरफेस वाटर डेप्थ 2 किलोमीटर इज 218, दैट इज डी. 20 विच इज फॉलोइंग नॉट ए बायोमास एनर्जी सोर्स 219 इज सी, न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी. द प्रोडक्शन ऑफ न्यूक्लियर एनर्जी इज 220, दैट इज सी, दैट इज आइंस्टीन प्रिंसिपल एंड ultimate derived from the sun energy. On which of the principle does a hydroelectric power plants works? 221 is D, low conservation energy, the conservation of potential energy, kinetic energy and the convention of mechanical energy, electrical energy. Which of the following is not a fossil fuel? 222, that is A, wood. CBD stand for coal bed methane. 24 is what? That was B, that is non-renewable resources eventually run out, stock is non-renewable. Which country is the leader in harnessing wind energy? 225 is B, that is Germany. Which of the following pioneer for the production of shale gas? 226 का आ जाएगा B, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक से मिलता है ये. Which is following source energy the term hydraulic fracturing or fracturing associated with? 228 का आ जाएगा C, shale gas exploitation. Which is following is the renewable source of energy? 229 का आ जाएगा D, biomass. Which is following element is used in the making the solar cell? 230 का आ जाएगा C, silicon. ठीक है. द मेटल यूज इन द सोलर पैनल इज 231 का आ जाएगा सी, सिल्वर. सोलर पैनल में सिल्वर होता है. विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज 232 का आ जाएगा सी, ग्राउंड वाटर में आता है रिन्यूएबल रिसोर्सेज. ओके. विच ऑफ द केमिकल सब्सटेंस रिलीज इनटू द एनवायरनमेंट व्हाइल बर्निंग ऑफ द फॉसिल फ्यूल कैन लीड टू एसिड रेन? 233, दैट वाज डी, दैट वाज ऑल ऑफ. Which of following not a biomass source? 234, that was nuclear energy is not. Energy which is not derived from the sun में से derive नहीं होती उसे हम nuclear energy कहते हैं. Harmful radiation emitted by the sun में से जो harmful radiation ultraviolet radiation होते हैं. ठीक है. Harmful radiation emitted by the sun ultraviolet. Fuel formed under earth's surface by the decomposition of organic matter 320, that is fossil fuel. The main constituent of LPG is what? 238 B, that is butane. The main constituent CNG is what? 339, that is a methane. Which of these is not a renewable source of energy? 240 is B, natural gas is not that. Exposure to which of the following radiations can cause skin problem? 241 is B, ultraviolet. Which is following gas has the highest calorific value? That was hydrogen has a highest calorific value. ए सोलर सेल जो होता है वो कन्वर्ट होता है 243 सोलर एनर्जी इनटू द इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी में कन्वर्ट होता है. ठीक है. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग एनर्जी मेक्स यूज ऑफ फ्लोटिंग जनरेशन फॉर इट्स एक्सप्लॉयटेशन? दैट इज बी, वेव एनर्जी. विच इज फॉलोइंग यूज फॉर द मोल्टन मटेरियल मिक्स विद द गैसेस इन द mantle of the earth? 245 is D, that is magma. Production of electricity from waste material is called? 246 is A, pyrolysis. Next, Which of the following is not an example of natural disaster, that is a nuclear accident? Which of the following is true with regard to the tsunami? That was B, that is it is a caused by earthquake beneath the sea. Which base describes the earthquake? That is collision of the tectonic plates. Which of the immediate energy source for earthquake? That was storing elastic energy in the bedrock. What does tsunami means? That was a series of wave is a tsunami. Which country is known for its frequent earthquake? 252 is D, that is जापान के अंदर होता है. What is the flood? 253 is A, building up the large quantity of the water, that is flood. Which of the following ring of fire? 254 is B, that is Pacific Ocean. Which is following is describe the volcanic eruption? 255 is C, that was the vertical explosion of gas explosion emission lava ashes. The most significant volcanic eruption has been felt from 256, that was the A, change in weather. Tsunami कहाँ से होकर होती है? 257, that is B, that is strong earthquake and the landslide in the ocean. Which of the following describe the build-up release of stress during the earthquake? 258, that is B, elastic rebound theory. The amount of ground displacement is in the earthquake is called. 259, that was C, that is slip. The point where the movement that triggered the earthquake. 260, that was seed focus. Which of the following correctly different arrival of the first and last? 261, that was A, P wave, S wave and surface wave. How many seismograph stations are needed to locate the epicenter of the earthquake? 262, that was C3. What is approximately percentage of the earthquake occurring at the plate boundary? 263 is D, 90%. Body waves क्या होती है? 264, that is C, P and S wave. जनरल मोर डिस्ट्रक्टिव अर्थक्वेक जो होता है 265, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सरफेस वेव. इंडियन और कोस्टल एरिया एक्सपेरिमेंट सुनामी 266, दैट वाज बी, दैट इज 2004. 267 is A, Rio summit, that was the 92. Johannesburg summit 2002. Kyoto is the 97 and Stockholm 72. What is main cause for the occurrence of tsunami? 268 is A, because of the ocean floor movement induced the earthquake production of the wave. The earthquake wave that have transverse movement known. 269, that was B, that is secondary wave. Which is following natural disaster can occur as a result of the earth internal heat? 270 is C, earthquake. Which is following is the wave high risk zone of earthquake? 271 is C, Himalaya region. The most occurring natural hazards? 272, that was B, that was the flood. Which is following not associated with the earthquake? 273, that was D, swell. For which of the following phenomena solar energy is the primary responsible? 274, that is D, all of above. Precipitation, wind, erosion. Which is following can be service realization safety hedge against the coastal calamities? 275 is B, mangrove. The term used in context of landslide basically of the movement of material. 276 is mass bursting. What is the correct order? Would be the first deposit starting at the headwater towards the mouth across the river. 277 is A, the gravel, sand and silt. The majority of the earth water in the form of 278, that was A, ocean. Which of the following natural hazard has big affect the Indian people? 279, that is B, flood. The point of fault first rupture in the earth during earthquake is called, that is 280 is A, that is hypocenter. The flash flood, normal flood. 281, that was C, sudden increased level of water, much more damage. Which is following method A to prevent the flood? 282, that was D, all of levees, winding and efficient sewage. Richter scale 283 is C, that is the energy released by the earthquake. What is the three main component of the water cycle? 284 is B, that is evaporation, condensation, precipitation. 285 is A, that was cyclone, that was India, hurricane USA, typhoon China. What should you do to prepare for a hurricane? 286, that was C, that was both. Prepare for a safety route, arrange for emergency food and water. The main cause that the tsunami wave lost some of its energy as they get closer to the shore. 287 is A, that is there a laser depth room for the tsunami. The main effect of the volcanic eruption is 288, that was A, flying of ash content. The loss of the entire animal species referred to as 289. That was D. Extinction. Which is following trust about the ozone layer? 290 is D. All of above. Which is following main cause for the global warming? 291 is A. That is burning of the fossil fuel. Which of the following gas is not a greenhouse gas? 292, that is B, that is hydrogen is not a greenhouse gas. Volcanic eruption can affect the climate because 293, that was B, volcanic dust and gas is upper atmospheric reflect absorb the solar radiation. Which of following effective proactive against the cyclone tsunami? 294, that is C, the mangrove forest comparative environment impact assessment study to be the conducted. 295, that was A, the whole year. Several areas primarily as a result of 296 is B, that is melting of glacier. The main of the Kyoto Protocol, that was reduce emission of 6 greenhouse gases level. What is the following is the gas is released where the rice in the grown in the wheat field? 298 is A, methane. El Nino La Nina responsible for? 299 is C, that is change in responsible direction and precipitation. The greenhouse effect involve warming of the earth's surface. And 300 is A, troposphere. Tidal energy is also potential renewable energy source. 301 is C, gravitational pull of the sun of the moon. Biodiversity described as that was the range of the different species in the environment. How an organism suited to live in a particular place called, that was adaptation. Which is following term as the tiger state? That was Madhya Pradesh. 305 is A, Periyar is Kerala, Nandankanan is Rajasthan, Corbett is Uttarakhand and Sariska is Odisha. The great Indian bustard bird is found. 306, that is A, Thar. The turpentine oil used to manufacturing of the medicine. 307 is B, Chirpin. The main character is biodiversity hotspot. 306, that is the threat to the human being biological region. The Sagarmatha National Park. 309 is B, that is the Mount Everest. Chipko movement basically to protect environment. 310, that is A, that was Uttarakhand. Solid waste treatment by pyrolysis referred to. 311, that was the A, that was the heating of the absence of air. Environment impact assessment is objective. 312, that was D. The main reason for global warming. 313, that was A, increased concentration of anthropogenic CO2 in the air. The number of major greenhouse gas effect. 314, that was C, that was the 6. The species those are especially likely to develop biological isolated areas such as Iceland is called. 315, that was A, endemic species. Ramsar Convention related to the Convention on Conservation of, that was wetland. The Great Indian Rhino has its natural home. 317, that was A, Kaziranga National Park. Which of following result bioaccumulation, contamination, food chain? 318 is A, that is pesticide. Pollutant in the soil can be broken by the microorganism. The process is called. 319, that is B, that is bioremediation. 320 is what? That was A. First is ozone depletion, Montreal, CO2, that was Kyoto Protocol, sustainable development, that was the Rio, and hazardous waste Basel. The long-tailed macaque is endemic to. 321, that was C, that was the Nilgiri. The most effective method of biodegradable urban solid waste management. 322, that was D, that is composting. Wild water of the buffalo or Asian buffalo or Indian buffalo is mostly found. 323 A, Eastern Himalaya में. The status of the World Heritage Site assigned. 324, that is B, that is UNESCO. 325 is A, that was the Kaziranga, Assam. Kevaladev, Rajasthan. Sundarban, that is West Bengal. Nanda Devi, Uttar Pradesh. In the beginning of this number of the biosphere is there India. 326 का आंसर आ जाएगा B, that is 18. मैन एंड बायोडाइवर्स बायोस्फीयर, दैट इज C. 327. 328 के अंदर आ जाएगा A, दैट इज 10. यूनेस्को स्टैंड फॉर. 329, दैट इज यूनाइटेड नेशन एजुकेशनल साइंटिफिक कल्चरल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. हाउ मेनी बायोलॉजिकल हॉटस्पॉट आर लोकेटेड? दैट इज 330. एंड 330 का आंसर आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी द B, 2. इन द विच UN कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑन एनवायरनमेंट ऑल्सो टर्म इज अर्थ समिट. 331 का आंसर आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी द A, Rio de Janeiro. One of the following is not an in situ conservation for biological resources. 332 का आंसर आ जाएगा, दैट विल बी द सी प्रोटेक्टेड एरिया. मोइना लोआ. 333 इज डी कंटिन्यूस मॉनिटरिंग ऑफ द एटमॉस्फेरिक CO2. द टेहरी डैम. 334 इज सी दैट उत्तराखंड. IUCN 335 दैट वाज ए इंटरनेशनल यूनियन कंजर्वेशन फॉर नेचर. In which of the following space for the classical smog observed 336 that was A Japan. Which is the following flow the Bay of Bengal Narmada Tapti. 337 के अंदर आ जाएगा A that was these are two rivers slope to Rift Valley. Process of conservation solid waste 338 that was decomposting. The Coriolis effect 339 that is the earth rotation. On which following day atmosphere environment celebrated 340 that was C that is June 5. Which of the following common indicator organic of the water pollution? 341 that is C that is Escric coli. In which of the national action plan for the climate change? 342 that was Dosowat. 343 that was B. Blackfoot that was arsenic. Pulmonary that was nitrogen. Hairfeed that was the allergy and Sariska Uttarakhand. Which is following region has the greatest biodiversity? 344 that was trophic rainforest. Which national park is suitable at the highest altitude in the country? 345 is B that is Hemis National Park. Indian government has established around the 18 biosphere reserve. 346 that is A Agastya reserve. Which is following health problem causing pollutant? 347 that is D that is the skin cancer. India expounded her first underground nuclear that was Pokhran. 348. 349 that is C herbicide crops resource organic food is proposed to the better human health. 350 is it is grown without use of artificial fertilizer. The biggest impact made to the environment. 351 that was B human interference. Maintenance balance fulfillment of human needs and protection of environment. 352 is B sustainable development. The Rio Declaration. 353 think globally act locally. Which is following indicator warming the average global. 354 is B that is rise sea level. A byproduct of fossil fuel combustion is carbon dioxide. 355 is D natural gas. Vermicomposting is method of composting. 356 is B earthworm. The method which can be increase the supply uses good quality of water. 357 is C that was the cloud seeding. Why this would global warming lead to and the increased sea level? 358 is A that is melting of the polar ice. Which is following not considered to the greenhouse gas? 359 that was C that is hydrogen. Baba Amte was 360 that was C that is Narmada Bachao Andolan. An organization was the traded for the avoid emission. 361 that was A 1 ton of carbon dioxide or its equivalent. Using coal, natural gas, oil and this transportation released 362 carbon footprint. Which considered the base quality of coal? 363 is D anthracite. Which is the organization 8 categories such as the extinct critically endangered. 364 that is A international conservation for nature. The small amount of warming that may set the unstoppable change in system. 365 that is A tipping point. In which of the Kyoto Protocol signed? 366 is A 97. Endangered larger living inhabitant. 367 that is C Madagascar. Which is following most ecosystem protection? 368 that is C that is sugarcane. In which India is a national action plan on climate? 369 B that was the 2008. Logo of WW that was 370 is A giant panda. Go set Ibuki. 371 that was B that is Japan. Which is the maximum of mangrove cover in India? 372 that was B that is West Bengal. On which of biological diversity day? That is 373 A that is December 29. Organization for the reducing this rate plus 374 that is International Union for Conservation of Nature. And Dachigam Century 375 A that is Hangul. Which is UT for the maximum percentage of mangrove? That is 376 is B that is West Bengal. India is granting mangrove to the gigawatt. 377 is C that is 100. Government of India intended to national determined contribution. 378 that is C to achieve 33% 2030, 40% for 2030 and carbon sink of 2.5 to 3 billion ton equivalent to 2013. So this all